Ferguson for SMB News. We're doing a live interview on the street with the team. Did y'all hear about the candidates running for governor of Pennsylvania? No. Well, do you like Republicans or Democrats? Anyway, you hear about well, Tom Corbett, the Republicans, right? He's lowering taxes, he's creating more jobs, cheaper welfare, and all the other stuff they say. But Dan Arado, he is flipping up. He's losing jobs. He's wasting money like he's just making it rain. He's a joke. What you want to know? Last stick. I'm not with that. I'm all about the green. All about the green. All about that green? All about that green. All about that green. You know what I do? Yeah. What's our name? I'm sorry. You won't go forget it. I'm sorry. So far we learned that we told him that Tom Corbett's a bad interview. We learned that Tom Corbett's a very good man and Dan Arado was worse. Where's my money? No taxes, alright? You ain't talking to Dan. This is Corbett, alright? Corbett. Alright, pay that money.
Hey, hey, teach me how to do it, hey. They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me, hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it, get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from morning.